Hi, I'm Anna and I'm going to walk you through our geofencing demo. Geofencing is what we call a virtual boundary or geofence around a particular location or area of interest. Once a geofence is created, a user like you can set up specific actions that are activated when a device enters or exits the geofenced area. In this case, we built a geofencing use case in which there are two restricted areas in the city of Lisbon, the Monte Pio Reis and Parque Duarte VII, the largest park in central Lisbon. We will simulate a car's route and check that an email alert is sent when the car enters the restricted area. How did you build this, you ask? And can I see it in action? Well, of course! Our restricted areas are nothing less than Mapify layers, which we can preview here. We also built a workflow to automate certain actions. It starts with the data feed, which is our source. The data intersects with the municipalities and the restricted zones. If it is, in fact, in a restricted zone, Mapify will send an email alert and update the current vehicle position, otherwise it just updates the position. We will use Mapify simulations to simulate the car's route. We have a car ID and we've set up a location route along the line, which we can see right here. Click Start the simulation. While it's running, we can visit our app and see the car moving and changing its color accordingly when it violates the restricted area. Just as planned, we also received an email alerting us of this incident.